These leaves don't really look good. We can thank that to the Japanese beetles. But we do have grapes. Using our little dollar store pruners here, snippers. Yeah, hi to you too, Dick. Now, I don't know what kind of grapes these are, folks. Grandpa had planted these years ago, so they're purple. That's all I know.
Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be canning up some fast and easy grape juice, and then I'm going to make some grape juice concentrate. The hardest part about doing this is taking your grapes off the stem and washing them up. I have a video on this from last year, but it's super easy. You just take some hot jars, put in a cup of grapes, a quarter up to half a cup of sugar, and then put hot water in. You fill your jars to 1-inch head space. Then you debubble and stir your sugar a little bit. Don't worry about the sugar on the bottom, it'll dissolve. Wipe the rim of your jar, put a lid and a ring on, fingertip tight, and put them in the canner. I'm going to bring this to a rolling boil and process for 25 minutes. There you have it, some fast and easy grape juice to put on the shelves. The longer you let these sit, the better they'll be. Now for the rest of the grapes, I'm going to run through my steam juicer and make some concentrated grape juice. This is my steam juicer. The bottom pot has water in it. When it starts boiling, steam goes up through the second pot and hits the basket where your fruit is and drips down into the second pot, and then it comes out the tube on the outside. Here I am just adding the fruit to the top. After about an hour, you see the juice coming up the tube. There's a clamp at the top, and when you want to get the juice out, you just open it up and pour it in your container. It's been about an hour, and I'm going to start getting the juice out of the tube. Just open it up. Best thing to do is just put it on that metal piece because it comes out very hot. After I get the juice out, I usually just set the steamer off of the burner and let it set for just a little while, and then you'll have some more juice that drips out. And here's what the grapes looks like after it's done. I'll give these to the goats. Next, I'll just take a hot jar, fill it up to a 1/4 inch headspace. Then I'll wipe the rim, put a lid on and a ring, fingertip tight, and put it in the canner. You could sweeten this before you put it in the jars if you want to. I'm not going to, in case I want to make jelly later on. If you use it as a grape juice, you could drink it like it is if you like it like that, or you can add water, and it's usually a 1-to-1 ratio. 1 jar of grape juice and 1 jar of water. The last jar was just a pint left, so I put it in a pint jar. When you can with pints and quarts together, you need to use the quart time for processing. I had to add a little bit of water to top off this last one. I got 4 jars out of that. I'm adding some water here. When you water bath, you have to have the water at least 1 to 2 inches above the top of the jar for you to be able to can. I'm gonna bring this up to a rolling boil and process for 10 minutes. There you have it, grape juice concentrate and grape juice. These are going to look pretty sitting on the shelves for this winter. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.